In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access screeners in TradingView. If you've ever wanted a quick way to sift through thousands of symbols and find the ones that match your trading ideas, the built-in screener is the fastest place to start. Here's how to open it and get oriented so you can begin filtering confidently. On the TradingView interface, look toward the bottom right of your screen. You'll see a small grid-style icon. It's designed to open tools related to lists and scanning. Go ahead and click that grid icon. When the menu appears, choose Screener. That action opens the Screener panel, giving you a structured table of symbols and a powerful set of controls to narrow them down. At the top of the Screener, you'll find the filter tools. This is where the real value lives. These filters let you define exactly what you want to see, so you can focus on tradable ideas instead of noise. You can filter by common metrics like price, percentage change, volume, and volatility, as well as fundamentals such as market cap or valuation ratios, depending on the asset class you're looking at. If you're primarily focused on stocks, start with a few simple criteria, like minimum average volume to ensure liquidity, a price range that fits your risk tolerance, or performance over a specific period to find momentum. If you follow other markets, you can also explore screeners for different asset types and tailor your filters accordingly. As you apply filters, the table below updates in real time. This is your dynamic shortlist. The goal is to refine it until you're left with a manageable set of symbols that fit your plan. Keep an eye on how each filter narrows or broadens your results. It's normal to start broad and tighten gradually. Many traders prefer to begin with just one or two filters, then layer on more conditions as patterns emerge. Above all, remember that the screener is a discovery tool. Use it to surface opportunities that you can then evaluate on your charts and with your strategy. Data availability can vary by exchange and plan, so if something looks off, consider that some markets may have delayed quotes. That's completely normal and doesn't affect how you set up your filters. And there you go. Click the grid icon at the bottom right, select Screener, and use the filter tools above to start screening and watching the stocks you want to track. Keep it simple, iterate on your filters, and let the screener do the heavy lifting. That's all.